So recently a friend of mine got a new caravan, trailer, house on wheels, and she asked me if I can make her a knob, a gear shift knob. So that's what we are going to do. It needs to be vintagey, orangey-ish / brown. We do some engraving. Yeah, that's it. I'm holding this piece of wood because I think that's what I'm gonna use. So yeah, let's do that. Is it in the frame? Yes, it is! Okay, so maybe not all of you are gonna like it, but I need to make this knob orange. So I'm gonna stain it. Now I could have used an orange wood, but I didn't really have any. Oops. Was this entire thing out of shot? Probably. Anyway, it has a lacquer now, it looks like a candy apple. wet. I don't know if I'm going to make it a little bit more tarnished. I think I am. Okay, I think that's it. You're probably wondering why the Photoshop editing shenanigans. Well, I am going to send the gear shift knob to my friend in Spain or Portugal, wherever she is, and she's going to send me some pictures back, how it actually looks like. But this is going to take a little while, so I thought I would do some pre-enactment, I suppose, if that's a word. And then once I get the pictures from her, I'm going to upload it to my Instagram, which I use on occasion. So yeah, I'm going to put some beauty shots nevertheless, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you again in the next one.